yourself to rise together to declare.
So let me also use this opportunity to tell Ugandans that yes, we have a threat of terrorism that is around us, but it's not that we cannot deal with it. We are actually dealing with it. And you know, the center knows that we now understand all the networks through the money, how they move their money. We know the people, we know the persons.
Particularly here in Uganda, there would have been bombs all over the place, but the public doesn't know. They only know that one that has gone off. They don't know about the 47 that we have stopped from going off. But like you heard from the people who are qualified to talk for us, we give this information to our public on a need-to-know basis. Africans should have a solution for themselves. Instead of calling on these guys all the time, they have their interests. They're not about to sacrifice their interests to come and sacrifice for the interests of a crying African. Unless sorting out your interests sorts out theirs as well. People never learn. The examples of where so many of these things have not helped people around the globe are so many. Look at Libya and what is happening with Libya now after the removal of Gaddafi. You walk in and you call people in Afghanistan that you're protecting them. Then when they're relaxed, they think they're okay, you walk out. There's a lot of famine out there. These are the kind of people we think we should depend on. We never learn. We should stand on our own and defend ourselves. That's what our head of state